Hi, I'm Tara Eisenhard. I'm the client coach at Atticus Family Law, and I am a child of divorced parents. If you are a parent going through a divorce, I have a couple tips for you. Number one, let your children be children. Beyond the things that they need to know or the topics that they might need help understanding, let them live free of the drama and the details of your divorce process. Number two, let your children love their other parent. A lot of kids can feel a loyalty conflict. They believe that it's not safe or it's not appropriate for them to share details about their life with their other parent when they're with one parent. And you want to create an environment where your children feel safe and secure and free to share with you details about all aspects of their lives so that they're not closing off part of themselves when they're with you. And number three, check in with your children. I always like to recommend holding a family meeting, and if it's possible to invite your co-parent, that's fantastic. But if that's not appropriate, that's okay. One-on-one check-ins on a regular basis can be very helpful. Ask your children if there are any questions that they have that you might answer. Ask what they're feeling, what their needs are, and if there are any ways that you can support them. So that's it. These 3 tips can be very helpful for children of divorce to feel supported and feel secure and ultimately to adjust in a healthy manner as their family evolves.